Bonjour tout le monde. So today we're going to look at how you say how are you and how you say how you're feeling in French. So to ask somebody how they're feeling, it's a really nice, simple, short question. And the way we say this is ça va, ça va. And it's C-A, and you'll notice a little squiggle here underneath the C, and that makes it a sound. So the way we say it is ça va, ça va. And it's nice because it rhymes with itself as well. Ça va, ça va, ça va. You try saying it now. Ça va. And you can use this question when you meet somebody. So for example, you might see somebody in the morning and you would say, Bonjour, ça va? And so the way you would answer this, we've got lots of different ways you can answer this depending on how you're feeling. And so the first way that we're going to look at is how you say, I'm feeling very good. And the way you would say this is ça va très bien. Ça va très bien. And you can add on to the end of this, if you like, the word merci. Thank you. Ça va très bien, merci. Ça va très bien, merci. Super. And if you're feeling good, but just good, you're not feeling super good or très bien, then you can just answer it by saying ça va, which is exactly the same as the question, you might have noticed, but that's okay. So it's just, that's all you would say back, ça va. And then if you're feeling kind of so-so, the way you would say this is comme si, comme ça. Comme si, comme ça. And that literally means like this, like that. Comme si, comme ça. Ça va? Comme si, comme ça. And a wee trick for helping you to remember is to add an action to it. So I like to move my hand back and forward for this one. So, comme si, comme ça. Ça va? Comme si, comme ça. And then if you're not feeling very good today, then you might want to say, if somebody asks you the question, ça va? You might want to say back to them, ça ne va pas. Ça ne va pas. And again, you can add a wee action to this, and you can shake your finger back and forward, shake your head when you're saying it. Ça ne va pas. Ça va? Ça ne va pas. And then if you're feeling really terrible, then the way we would say this is ça va mal. Ça va mal. Oh là là, ça va mal. Très bien. And sometimes you might ask somebody back the question, ça va, but you might want to make it easier and just shorter and just say back to them, and you. So the way that we could do this is et toi, and that means and you. Et toi, et toi. And you'll see that this is et, but that it's pronounced a. So you don't hear the T sound, so it's a. So et toi, et toi. So let's just review all these phrases that we've learned today. So first of all, we had the question, ça va? And then the different answers that you can give back to that one. So the first one we've got here, ça va très bien. And that's when you're feeling really good. So we'll just add a wee smiley in beside that one. And then we've got the answer ça va, which means, yeah, good thanks, I'm fine. So just ça va. So that means somebody could ask the question, ça va? And then you could just say, ça va, back to them. So ça va. So for that one, it's just, yeah, I'm good thanks, I'm okay. And then the next one, so if somebody asks the question, ça va? And then you would reply, comme si, comme ça. So that means so-so, so-so. And then, ça va? Ça ne va pas. And that one meant, I'm really not good. I'm not good. Ça ne va pas. Okay, and then the last one, ça va? And then the answer for this one would be, ça va mal. So really rubbish, terrible. Ça va mal. Okay, so let's add a little smiley in for this one as well. We'll see if we can find a little oh là là, ça va mal, ça ne va pas, et ça va mal. And comme si, comme ça. And have a think, what kind of face would we draw for this one? Well, I would think we might want to draw a little smiley with a kind of flat look on his face there. Comme ci, comme ça. And remember, if you want to ask somebody back, and you, then you can just do this by saying, et toi? Et toi? Bravo. So we've got an example here of what a conversation might sound like. So you can watch this little clip, and this will give you an idea of what a conversation might be like for asking somebody how they are and saying how you are in French.
Bonjour. Ça va? Comme ci, comme ça. Et toi? Ça va super bien. Merci. Au revoir. Au revoir.
So now we know what a conversation sounds like. We know what the questions are. So we've got ça va and et toi. So that means you can have a short conversation with anybody at home. So with your families, with your brothers, your sisters, your dog, your cat, your goldfish, anybody at all, you can ask them ça va. And maybe you can also teach them how you would use the different answers. And try out different answers every day to help you practice them. Super tout le monde. Au revoir.